And today I'm just riding a little bit here in Queens. Look at it. Well, Queens has beautiful parks by the river. Look, this is so near to the hotel, and in springtime there's beautiful flowers, and winter, oh, it's so marvelous because all white, and you get to see Manhattan. Let me show you. Today, and for today's short ride, because I'm gonna meet a friend for brunch, so I didn't have breakfast yet. I'm only gonna eat at 11 o'clock. I always stay in Queens because so much cheaper. And this bridge here, can you see the bridge? Yes, this bridge goes straight to Manhattan, and it's a great place to ride in. There's a place for the bicycle, and right there is Central Park, so near. I like it. I do recommend, if you have a bicycle, stay in Queens. It's 2/3 of the price. It's worth it. But we call Queens. And there's the seagull, there's the bridge, Manhattan. Oh, there she goes. It's a short ride, but very nice one. And it's hot. I know it's not hot, it's 8 degrees, but I got 2 merino shirts and a bicycle shirt, and this coat's not, but it's hot. My hands are cold though. Yeah, I'll get there. I'll get a nice pair of gloves. It's a beautiful park. I'm amazed. I didn't see it last time that I came here. It's fantastic. Love it. I'm wondering how it looks like in summertime or springtime, because it's so nice. There's so a lot of places to enjoy it. Well, hope you did like the video. I really love to know this park. It's a beautiful park. So let's get home. Take a shower. Yeah, showers are in the middle of the day. Dry my hair and meet my friends for brunch. Wow, that's cool. Look at it. That's in honor of those workers that built Empire State Building and other big buildings. They used to stay hanging loose with no security belt or anything, and talking and, you know, eating something. That's so cool. Like it. Starbucks. It's amazing. I love it. Look how cool it is. This is the most fantastic Starbucks. Check it out. Bakery. This Starbucks, it's a must.
Guys, open up on this side. Actually, he's there. Let's just leave it there. Goes back in. I'll open that side.